why choose IBM? Firstly, IBM models were trained responsibly in close collaboration with the Office of Privacy and Responsible Technology. We publish our data sources in our research paper. In fact, we recently got a recognition from Stanford. IBM was rated as one of the most transparent models. And finally, we also provide IP indemnification for clients, so they can focus their energy and attention on building useful generative AI applications as opposed to worrying about inappropriate output generated by the model. Now, let's move to Performant. Like I said, IBM models are optimized to deliver the performance that is required for specific generative AI use cases and domains that matter for enterprises. We are not in the business of providing you with general purpose models, but we are on the mission to deliver you targeted models that solve specific business problems. Again, here, why choose IBM? We have models that are optimized for specific domains like finance, legal, specific use cases like retrieval augmented generation. And these models that we provide can perform on par or even better than larger models in the marketplace for those domains and use cases. And in addition to our own Granite models, we also provide you with an assortment of open source and third-party models that you can use to, again, solve specific business problems that you have. In this activation, we also provide you with some proof points, benchmarks that show how Granite models are better than larger models. Like you have Llama here, GPT-4 models. Again, one-size-fits-all solution is not going to work for enterprises. So for specific applications like customer care, for example, which is high volume, you might want to work with a smaller model versus a larger model. For a use case like R&D, where the accuracy matters even more, you might want to opt for a larger model with better performance compared to the smaller model. So it's always a trade-off between trust, performance, cost-effectiveness. But how can you navigate through the trade-off? You need model choices to be able to do that. Now that we discussed trust and performance, let's move to the final key component of our enterprise. Now that we discussed trust and performance, let's move to the final component of our model point of view, which is cost effectiveness. Most enterprises today are in experimental or piloting phase with generative AI, but very soon they will be moving into production. That's where cost control becomes really important. As you scale generative AI, you are going to incur a lot of expenses in terms of acquiring GPU resources that you need to do the computation, and you will also incur inferencing costs as you scale AI. So here is where you need to have access to models that would allow you to scale generative AI in the most cost-effective way possible. So why work with IBM? So we have Granite models, for example, offers you the same level of performance at a lower price point. In fact, the last time we were able to do the benchmarking, Granite models are 40 times less expensive than the state-of-the-art GPT models out there. And the best part is Granite requires just less than 1 GPU for inferencing versus larger models like Llama, which would require 4 GPUs. So if you are an organization that is working in a resource-constrained environment, then you may want to include Granite as part of your model portfolio to reduce the requirements that you have when it comes to GPUs. So what did we discuss today? We talked about IBM's differentiating approach to deliver AI foundation models informed by our model point of view, which is all about delivering trusted, performant, cost-effective generative AI by giving you access to enterprise-grade model choices.
Isn't that great? Thank you for that.